Oh, what about this one? Guys, just one or two, guys. Just one or two animal videos, not too many of them. Just a couple.
Giant trevallies. Usually, they are solitary hunters.
Solitary hunters?
50 of them have come here from neighboring reefs, attracted by this abundance of potential prey.
Solar tree hunters.
The fledglings stay out of the water if they can.
Solitary hunters.
They even drink on the wing.
So ugly, you want to punch
Why
it.
is there a video of you in the shower? xQc, guys, why don't the fish just dodge the bears?
If
Look
the
how ugly it
trevally
is.
are to catch one now, they have to up their game.
Imagine. Jesus. Imagine if I just did all the like this.
So there is a fish here that, amazingly, has a brain
I don't know.
calculating the airspeed, altitude, and trajectory of a bird.
Holy shit!
40 fucking months, wow. Do you honestly think you will play Overwatch 2? The game
Yeah,
looks
like
like
yeah.
a pain for tank players.
That was pretty easy.